Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this 40 divided 2 bracket 2 plus 3. So 40 divided 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now 40 divided by 10 is 4. Which is the incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right. This looks simple, but still many people fail to solve because they have take that approach, which is wrong. But when you have given multiple operation like division, then bracket, and in bracket there is an addition, then you have to follow PAMDAS or BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So it's 40 divided. First you have to solve the parenthesis, that is 2 plus 3, 5. Now division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to always solve it from left to right. So it's 40 divided by 2 multiply 5. So it's 20 multiply 5, that is 100. So what is the correct answer? 100, not 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.